Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best eyelash stickers is probably one of the most exciting beauty innovations in recent years, offering a quick and easy way to enhance your look. Forget the hassle of traditional methods, these stickers promise a flawless application in seconds. But with so many options available, how do you choose the perfect pair? Join me as we dive into the world of eyelash stickers, exploring their benefits, and helping you find the ideal match for your style and needs. Number 5. Yaomiao 200 PCS Eyeshadow Shields. These shields are designed to make your makeup routine easier. They help prevent residue and create a clean look. You'll receive 200 pieces, ensuring you have plenty for all your makeup needs. This large quantity will last you a long time. The shields are perfect for various makeup applications. They are suitable for eyelash extensions, eyeliner, and lip makeup, helping you achieve precise lines. Made from soft, non-woven fabric, these shields are non-toxic and safe for your skin. They protect your eyes from irritation. Simply apply the self-adhesive shields under your eye area on clean, dry skin. These disposable shields are great for isolating your lower lash line. Each stencil measures approximately 50 by 84 millimeters, a suitable size for most women. They are designed to fit comfortably and effectively. What we like. This product is designed to prevent makeup residue, making it perfect for flawless eye makeup application. It's easy to use, just stick it on, and you're ready to go. If you're looking for a simple solution to protect your skin from eyeshadow fallout and create clean lines, this is the one for you. What people say. It's perfect for a guide for winged liner, and smoking out your shadow into a nice sharp line. It provides a guideline for smoking out the bottom, as well as my outer corners. This shield is great for a more elongated and/or fox eye look. Number 4. Maitys Eyelash Stickers, Pink and Black, 500 PCS. Introducing these elegant eyelash stickers, available in pink and black. They feature a beautiful gold stamping design, perfect for adding a personal touch to your items. Made from quality paper with a glossy surface, these stickers are non-toxic and durable. They are self-adhesive and designed to last, ensuring your items look great. These stickers are perfect for decorating eyelash boxes, envelopes, and more. You can use them to personalize your items or add a special touch to your gifts. Each sticker is approximately 1.5 inches in diameter, the perfect size for your projects. They are easy to apply and will make your items stand out. Each pack contains 500 pink and black lash stickers. This is a practical choice for businesses, online retailers, and anyone looking to add a professional touch. What we like. These stickers feature an elegant design and are made from durable material, ensuring they last. You can personalize your items with these stickers, adding a unique touch. If you are a lash business owner looking to add a professional and personalized touch to your packaging, this is a great choice. What people say. Super cute. I use them on my lash soap bottles I give to my clients and they make them. Really cute and a great addition to my lash business. Used for lash aftercare kits. Number 3. Lash Shampoo Label Stickers for Bottle. Give your aftercare kits a professional touch with these labels. It's a simple way to make your brand look more amazing and stand out to your customers. Save time and money with our ready-to-use labels. No need to spend a lot on design and printing. The package includes a total of 50 labels, sized at 3.4 by 2.4 inches. These labels are printed with a vinyl layer, so you don't have to worry about them getting wet. They feature vibrant, full-color printing and are scratch-resistant. Available in fashion neon pink and classic black, these labels fit any bottle color. They are perfect for lash brushes or any other aftercare kit items. Pair these labels with our lash aftercare instruction cards for premium branding. We focus on packaging solutions so you can focus on growing your business. What we like. It offers easy professional branding without the high cost of custom designs. The labels are also water-resistant, ensuring they last. If you are a lash artist looking to elevate your aftercare kits with a professional touch without breaking the bank, you should consider this. What people say. The lashes are very easy to apply. They are very comfortable and lightweight. They are easy to remove. Number 2. Eyelash Extension Kit, pads, Jade stone. This kit is perfect for professional use. It includes everything you need for flawless eyelash extensions. It's designed to make the application process easier and more efficient. These disposable pads are waterproof and leak-proof. They are easy to use and tear off. The pads help slow down the glue's drying time. The Jade stone has a smooth surface, making it easy to clean. Its low temperature helps extend the adhesive's drying time. This combination is designed to save you glue. The Jade stone is designed to hold the glue during application. You can easily place the sticker pads on the stone. This combo will help you save glue. This kit is great for beauty salons, cosmetology schools, and individual eyelash extension users. It's a must-have for anyone looking to enhance their lash game. The package includes 200 sticker pads and a Jade stone. If you have any questions, contact us via your Amazon account. We're here to help immediately. What we like. This product includes disposable, waterproof pads that slow down glue hardening, and a Jade stone. This combination helps to extend the life of your adhesive. If you are a professional lash artist looking to optimize your application process and reduce glue waste, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The lashes are very easy to apply. They are very comfortable to wear. They look very natural. Number 1. Eyelash Makeup Planner Stickers, 120 clear labels. Introducing these amazing stickers. They are perfect for all your planning needs. This product will help you organize your beauty routine. This pack includes 120 removable stickers. They are clear and waterproof, making them ideal for various uses. Use them in your planners, scrapbooks, crafts, diaries, and journals. Teachers can also find these useful. It is very versatile. These stickers are high quality and pre-cut for your convenience. Simply peel them off and stick them wherever you need them. Each sticker is 0.47 inches in height. It is the perfect size for your planner and other projects. What we like. These stickers are removable, clear, and waterproof, making them ideal for planners, scrapbooks, and crafts. They are high quality and pre-cut for easy use. If you like to keep your beauty routine organized and enjoy crafting, you'll love how these stickers help you stay on track. What people say. They are very easy to apply. They are very easy to remove. They are very comfortable to wear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.